So we're coming to the end of Thanksgiving break, and I ate way too much pie and treats and sugar, and I want to make sure that I can get my immunity back up before I get back into the classroom. I have an entire apothecary chest full of awesome dried herbs, but I thought I would see what's left in the garden as we approach winter. I have no idea if the audio is coming through. My kids are having fun playing with a train and having TV on, and my husband is listening to Peter Cetera or Phil Collins. So hopefully you can hear me okay, but I'm gonna head out into the garden and see what's left from the winter garden.